guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a review for Viva, where are you? Oh, Tumeric. Okay, these are patches for your under eye. Either you have baggy eyes or dark spots. So we're going to do a review for them today. Here it is. Here's the packaging. Okay. So it's eye patches. I already put mine into, oops, it's dripping a little bit because it's thawing off, but I already put it into the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. And I did that because I wanted it faster. You can also put it into the fridge for 60 minutes. So I did purchase this online from Amazon and it was not expensive. That's what I go for, skincare products that are not expensive. And this, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Make sure you check it out if you're interested. So I do have dark spots under my eyes and I'm really looking for a solution for that. I am looking for a solution for my dark spots. So we'll see how it is. Because I can't afford cosmetic surgery. I know some people get the shots, the fillers. I can't afford that. So I have to take another route and go with something affordable. Okay. Let me read the directions first. Alright, so I refrigerated it, or put it in the freezer, cleanse the eye area and dry thoroughly. Place patches, sachet side down onto under eye area along the orbital bone. Being careful to avoid direct contact with the eye. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes to allow product to fully absorb before gently removing. So this product, it says for best results, use 1 to 2 times a week. That sounds good for me. I'm really not looking for something where I have to do it every night. You know what I mean? I have to put a toddler to sleep every night and make sure her routine is good. So I don't really need or have the time to add more and more things to my routine. So I like that. Only 1 to 2 times a week is perfect. Alright, sorry guys. I was laughing at something funny. Alright. Alright, I'm trying to get it out. Sorry. Okay, so like the instructions said, sachet side down. Okay. Alright, so here we go. They're cute, they're gold. I'm just going to place it carefully on the orbital bone. Alright, next one. Ooh, it's nice and cold. Okay. Remember to wash the area under your eye and make sure it's completely dry. So I did that. These are sticking completely. Feels really good. It's actually very soothing, very soft. I mean, I can go out with these. These are cute. But I've had dark circles under my eyes since I was a kid. I think it's genetic. And I'm also not that great at canceling it out with my makeup. Like some people do certain things to get rid of it. But I'm just not that great. I really want to get rid of the problem right on my face. So this is a great solution. If anybody suffers from dark eyes, dark under eye circles, or just baggy under eye circles, you guys should give it a look. Oh, it says, experience the renewing properties of Nano Gold Energizing Eye Recovery Mask. Nano Gold. You already got me with the gold. A natural seaweed mask infused with antioxidant-rich 24-karat gold and soothing silk to help smoothen and revitalize skin around the delicate eye area while brightening and minimizing dark circles. They plump the skin with hydration and refile texture for softer, smoother, healthier looking skin. With glow-inducing oxygenating ingredients and puff pummeling extracts, it will brighten, depuff, and hydrate eyes in 20 minutes flat. 20 minutes flat. So you mean to tell me I can put these on to get rid of the puffy eyes? In the morning, I have the puffy eyes. Oh my goodness, I look like somebody was like that to my eyes. My daughter has it too. It's really funny, but you know. So the puffy eyes I would like to get rid of before I go out, you know what I mean, before I leave the house. So I'm definitely going to look into doing this 20 minutes before. I mean, that's awesome. 20 minutes flat. We'll see. We'll see. But that sounds good. And then in the package you get at least, how many? 15 pairs. That's really cool. I like that, and it wasn't expensive at all. It was like less than $10, I believe. $24-karat gold. Oh guys, lately I have not been getting a lot of sleep. My daughter has been waking up early. So my daughter has been waking up early, and I mean like after going to sleep, waking up maybe 2 hours later. I don't know. I'm doing research trying to see what I can do. I've tried essential oils, like soothing essential oils in the room, in her room, lavender. What else? What's the other one? Chamomile. I've tried, and this has been a problem since she was about 1 year old. She just does not sleep. She can fight her sleep. The only thing is that will put her to sleep is a car ride. So hopping in the car at 12 a.m. is just not ideal, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'll give you guys an update on it. So that's what I'm struggling with right now. And that's why these patches are probably gonna be really good for me, because I'm sleep deprived. Ooh, I didn't set the timer, guys. I didn't do a timer. You know what? I didn't even realize that this matches my sweater. How nice. Okay, so I think that was 15 minutes. I think that was 15 minutes, so I'm going to take them off now. Do you throw them away or do you keep them because they're still intact? I don't know. I'm going to put it back in the package. Ooh. So I'm sure you won't see results right away for the under eye circles, the dark circles under your eye. But if I keep doing it, I'll give you guys updates in maybe 2 weeks on how this is going. How my how my journey of no dark circles under the eye is going. Okay? I actually think, let me see. So you do discard them after each use, even though they still look intact. Oops. Still dripping. But yeah, you do discard them after each use. After you open them, immediately discard after each use. Okay guys, so if you like this video and you like this product, make sure you check the description to get the link. Make sure you share to friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can receive a notification whenever I upload. Thank you so much for watching, guys.